Welcome to CK Meals and Recipes. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell button for more upcoming videos. Today I'll show you how to prepare a hearty bean stew. Bean stew that is full of vegetables. To my ingredients: olive oil, salt, ginger, garlic, onions, green bell pepper, carrots, chopped cucumber. Yes, chopped cucumber. I put it in the beans for digestion purposes. French beans, carrots, and tomatoes. Put your oil and salt and heat, then put the hard veggies, onions with the French beans together with the green bell pepper and carrots. Salt for 5 minutes. Add the other soft ingredients that I mentioned earlier. Keep on mixing until it forms a thick paste. Guys, I haven't added water here. The water comes from the cucumber itself. Cucumber is good for hydration. It's good for digestion and bowel movements. Guys, you need to use beans that is already boiled, softened. Yes, and you should always retain the water for the beans. Always retain the water. Mix, it forms a thick paste for the beans. Yes, I can see my vegetables are ready soft. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my beans. On the comment section, guys, tell me which country you're watching from. So you see, this is my beans. It was already boiled, not yet cooked, but just boiled. I retained the water, that's why it's brown in color. I'm doing this because I'm also retaining the nutrients. So this is my bean stew. Stir it well so that the ingredients can mix together. Guys, don't forget the ingredients. I repeat: salt, olive oil, onions, French beans, green bell pepper or capsicum, cucumber, carrots, French beans, and tomatoes. I put all these vegetables in the bean stew to promote digestion. Yes. You can have this meal with rice, you can have it with mashed potatoes, you can have it with sweet potatoes, you can have it with ugali, you can have it with spaghetti, you can have it with noodles, you can have it with pasta, any pasta of your choice. So guys, I'm gonna let it simmer. 5 to 10 minutes is enough since the beans are already soft. I like putting lots of vegetables in my meals so as to get vitamins and to promote digestion and bowel movements, to have a healthy digestive system, have a healthy gut. So guys, once your bean stew is ready, you can serve it while hot with your favorite carbohydrate. I repeat: rice, pasta, noodles, spaghetti, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, ugali, rice. It's up to you guys. See, very delicious, very nutritious. You can also add seasoning of your choice. For me, I've used Royco Choosy Mix, just a bit of it. See, the stew is thickening up. Guys, you can check out my thumbnail for the end result. Thank you guys for watching. and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.